Well, just want to introduce our company, the Northwind Traders, and we are located at 143 Beachport Drive, Massachusetts, and our company website is www.northwindtraders.org. The members of our company are Chin Chin, Natasha, and myself, Odell, and one of our members are not here, and Jason Geller.
And Dominique.
Oh, sorry, Dominique. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So our company mission and objectives. The Northwind Traders is an international food distributor that sells dairy product, beverage, condiments, and products to small special shops using Northwind database. Our objective is to maintain a database that store all products, inventory information, customer information, and sales information.
Well, our manager, Natasha Barth, she's not currently present with us today, but her responsibilities entailed monitoring sales trends and the revenue required from beverage and seafood sales. And Chin Chin's responsibilities encompass customer sales and revenue with the main focus of sorting and filtering data by name and category. And our data analysis, who's here, Jason Gallagher, analyzed the sale of each of our products and updated them to be in outstanding standards, which he will discuss in slides 5, 6, and 7. And myself, I was in charge of sales and marketing, which encompasses disaster recovery for the sales of May 2012 orders of beverages and confections. And logistics was handled by Adele Wellington, who ensured the sales of May 2012 orders of beverage and confection only contained the required sales data for that month year, also finding the source of any data and making any necessary corrections.
So our Access project description basically is learn how to find and solve problems in Access. Any problem that we have in Access, basically, and to be more careful to input data in the criteria when we are making the Access file, designate and filter data to meet the up-to-date requirements, ensure that the company Access database information tables are not problematic and easily accepted to everyone within the Northwind Traders.
Yeah, for this one, we put our name on it, and you will see the different people, employees' name and the titles and the address, everything. And the second one, we just use the category as a seafood sales. And the first one, you will see that one is not filtered very well. So the second one, we filter by name, so you will see the first name, last name, and the category all the same. So it will easier for people to check their form.
So our first project was first on the Access file, so we see what we had to work with. Their file was old, outdated. They had 2007, 2012 of order dates. They just wanted the most updated recent data. So what I did, I went in there, I updated it, I filtered it for them to show the most recent data. So you can see here, if you go to the order dates, you can see it shows in 2012 all the way down. Then that's also for their revenue. So you have the first name, category, money, and order date. And how I did it, went back in design view, went to that order date, updated that, filtered it just to show from 2012 and on. That's how I did that.
And for my section, it required some updating in regards to the May 2012 beverage and confection table. The criteria that initially was in the database was incorrect, and it was bringing up results aside from just May. So it fixed that. The second problem with one of the queries is the beverage sales by ship country table. Didn't produce any results upon running the query. So I determined that the dates listed in the criteria field actually excluded the data rather than producing results. So I corrected that and then made it so that the results would populate in ascending order. So as we see here, this is the initial query that was done. And so if you see the criteria listed, it shows greater than or equal to May 1st, 2012. So of course that's gonna bring all dates after May, which we can see here include the month of June. And so once I did the correction, this is the table that it produced. And okay. So this is the information that it produced. So this was the second problem in regards to the sales by ship company, country. The criteria listed says between January 1st, 2012. And so when we ran that query, no results came up. So I went and corrected that, took that date out, because we want to see all of the sales from 2012 by country. So took that out and put it to list in ascending order. And so this was the end result from updating that query.
So the section team member's conclusion, Chen, she basically filtered the revenue sales report by name, which showed all the total revenue, cost, and profit. Dominique, she changed update the ship date criteria of May 2012 sales and beverages by filtering. Jason, he filtered data of the Northwind Traders employees to show current data over existing data. And I just basically analyze overview of each slide and summarize the concluded at what we've done and contribute. And Natasha, one of our consultant members that's not here, she basically monitored sales trend, which consists of the revenue acquired for the database, filtered tables, and query. There's some commas missing. Also edit and proofread what the group has accomplished.
Yeah, our mission and objectives. So as member of Northwind Trader, we use the Access database to update the database table by filtering the revenue, sales by name and the categories. Filter employees table in the database to show newest to oldest in the revenue report. By updating the database between January and March in 2012, and the filter report by date. May 2012, which resulted in all beverage sales ship date, by countries in that year.
Objective to create, make changes in the data by using filter by section in a data sheet view or design view. When to compact, prepare, and back up the database. Create new queries in the query design view. Create and calculate field to run queries to determine revenues. Using an expression builder in the query to create compacted expressions. And utilizing the property sheet to change the field's format. Any questions?
Any questions?
Any questions? Very nice job, guys. Excellent. Very, very nice.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Yeah.